this video, let's see the 30mm wheel spacers before and after. Let's go. The wheel spacers are like the extension surface of the wheel hub, which can make the axle of the vehicle more prominent without changing any force structure. That's how two wheel spacers work and can be done in auto modification. Spacers can change the eating value of the wheel, changing how far the entire tire protrudes from the vehicle. This function is very useful for vehicles. The machining accuracy of BONOSS spacers reached a accuracy of 0.02 mm, making the gap as accurate as a hair, and it will be very smooth when you install it. BONOSS has an independent OEM factory, so customized wheel spacers can be complete 1 to 3 days at the farthest. Besides, BONOSS provides OEM ODM tools. BONOSS provides customized service of special thickness, 3mm to 116mm. There are a lot of tools for your customized PCD conversion wheels adapters. The thread size, thickness, and bolt patterns can be customized according to you. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.